we are just moving towards the exercise. Okay, so here in the exercise 1b, I have just given some of question number 1 and question number 2 in your homework. Okay, so from question number 1 it is easy, you can solve it easily. Moving towards question number 2, from that I will solve any of the two. Let us see that. First of all, exercise 1b, question number 2. Okay, from that you can see here I will just solve the b. First we will solve b, that is 2 3 5 9 2 7, which is the first number. Another number, that is 3 9 5 3 2 7. Okay, another number, that is 2 2 3 9 2 7. Then after 3 7 2 2 2 7. Okay, so this is the first. So here how we will just solve, and we have to just put it into the ascending order. So we first know that we have to just count the digit, that how many digit number this is. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6th digit number. Then after this digit 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th digit. Then after third one, that is also 6th digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digit. Then after this is also 6 digit. Okay, so this both are of 6 digit. Sorry, this 4 are of 6 digit. So let us first of all, we have to see the first letter of all the digits. That is 1. Here it is 2, 3, 2, 3. So we have to just keep this in the ascending order. So first we will see the smallest number, that is 2. So here you can see the 2-digit number. So the first letter having 2, that is this 2. Here we will write what? Then after we will see the second digit. Here it is 3, here it is 2. So this one is smaller than this one. So first of all will come this. So here in the answer, that is 2 2 3 9 2 7. This is the first. Okay, so we have done this. Then after here second, this one is smaller than this one, so second will come this. So here we will write, that is 2 3 5 9 2 7. Okay, second. Now moving towards here, you can see 3 and here is also 3. So now we will see the second digit of both the number. Here it is 9 and here it is 7. So which one is smaller? Then we will say that 7 is smaller. So here we will write 3 7 2 2 2 7, and then after the last digit, that will be this, that is 3 9 5 3 2 7. Okay, 3 9 5 3 2 7. That will be the digit. Okay, please note it down. Until I am just writing the second question that we will do, that is D. So here D, the question is first it will be 9 6 4 9 0 3 6 5. Okay, then after another one, that is 8 3 8 9 3 4 0 2 9 4. Okay, then after 8536029 then after 94504949. Okay, so this is the D. Let us solve this. So here you can see, first of all, what we have to do, we have to count the digits. So let us count. So here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits. Here next one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Then after third one, that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Then after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here all are 8-digit numbers. So let us see the first letter of all this. So here it is 9 8 8 9. So which one is smaller? 8 is smaller. So first will come from this 2, and same in this 2 the second digit. Here it is 9, here it is 5. So this will come first. 8536029 Okay, 8536029 This is our first digit. Then after second will come this. Okay, that is 8,93,40,294. Okay, then after here it is 9 and here it is also 9. So in that also we will see the second digit. So here it is 6 and here it is 4. So this will come first. So here it will be 94504,949. Then after the last one, which is here, that is 96490,365. Okay, so this both are the answer. Please write down this. Okay students, now moving forward to the question number 3. So here, in question number 3, you can see question number 3. Here we have to write the greatest 7-digit number having 4 different digits. Greatest 7-digit number having 4 different digits. So here we have to do according to the example number 10. There was find the smallest 6-digit number having the end first A was ending with 9 and 4 different digits. Okay, so in that way here it is the largest number and with 4 different digits. So here first of all you should know that which is the largest 7-digit number. So here I can write largest 7-digit number, that is largest 7-digit number 9 9 9 9 9 9. So this is the largest 7-digit number or the greatest 7-digit number. But what we have to do, we have to find having 4 different digits. So there should be 4 different digits for the largest 7-digit number. So here we have to just change. So here largest 7-digit number having 4 different digits, 4 different digits. Okay, so the answer will be so here you can see there are 4 different digits, that is 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 4 different digits and this is the largest 7-digit number. Here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is 99,99,876, which is the largest 7-digit number having 4 different digits. Please write down this. Okay, have you written down this, students? Moving towards question number 4. So here the next question, that is question number 4, that is how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? So here what we have to do according to the example number 11. You can see how many 8-digit numbers are there in all. There first we have write the largest 8-digit number. So here first we will write the largest 6-digit number. So here in the question number 4, largest 6-digit number. So largest 6-digit number, that is which 99999. So this is the largest 6-digit number. From in the 8-digit numbers there in all, we have just subtracted the largest 7 digits. So from here we will subtract the largest 5-digit number. So here we will say that largest 5-digit number is equal to, which is the largest 5-digit number, that is 9999. So as we just subtract the largest 5-digit number from the largest 6-digit number, we will get that how many the total 6-digit numbers are there in all. So here we will say that here it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 9. So here we can write 6-digit numbers in all. Okay, so there are 9 lakh 6-digit numbers in all. Okay, students, please write down this. Now moving towards the question number 5. If you are just not getting the time, students, to write down what is written on the board, you just pause your video, okay, and then after write. Then after question number 5, that is, write all 3-digit numbers that can be formed using 4, 5, 6 without a repetition of digits. Okay, arrange the numbers formed in descending order. So this is according to the question, example number 13, in which we have got 1, 2 and 3, and here it is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so that is to be put on the ascending and descending order both, but here we have to just put that in the descending order. So here question number 5, that is, here it is given 3 digits, that is 4, 5 and 6. Let us make the different digits from just 3 digits. So here first of all we will take 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then after another digit, it will be 4, 6, 5. Okay. Then after the another digit, it will be 5, 4, 6. Then after the another digit we can form, that is 5, 6, 4. Okay. Then after 6, 4, 5, and then after 6, 5, 4. Okay, so these are the digits which can be formed using this 3 digit, that is 4, 5 and 6. Okay students, now here we have to just put it into the descending order. So here in the descending order, descending order, we have just count all have 3 digits. So in the descending order, the largest number comes first. Okay, so here the largest number is this, that is 6, 5, 4, and smaller than that, that is say this, that is 6, 4, 5, and the smaller than that, that is 5, 6, 4. Okay, and the smaller than that, that is 5, 4, 6. 5, 4, 6. Then after, here it is 4, 6, 5. Okay, and the last one, it will be 4, 5, 4, 5. So this all are in the descending order, please write down the students, and then after we will move towards the new topic, that is international system of numeration. Okay. Okay students, have you written down the answer? Now we will just move towards the international system of numeration. So here in the international system of numeration, international system of numeration, okay, what it is. Here we have seen, you all know that about the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, which you have just studied in the previous class, that was class 5. In that it was categorized. How? See here, I am just putting and comparing this book. Here I am writing Indian system, and on other hand I am writing international. So what here comes? Here the first it will be ones place, and here it will also be ones place. Okay. Then after comes in the Indian system, that is tens place, and here it is also tens place. Okay, here it is also tens place. Then after, again moving toward the last third digit, here it will be hundreds place. Hundreds place. Here it will be also be hundreds place. Hundreds place. Then from now here it will be thousands place. So here it will be thousands. Thousands place, and here it will also be thousands place. Then moving further, here it will be 10,000 place. Place, and here it will also be 10,000 place. Okay. Then coming towards now, up till here 10,000. This both the systems are same, Indian system and international system. Okay. Then after there is different. Here it will come lakhs place. Lakhs. Then after here it will be 100,000s. 100,000 place. So from here it is different. So from this and this is different. So I am just underlining that. Then after here comes what? Here comes the 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. Here it will be what? Here it will be million. Okay, here it will be million. So again underline this because it is different. Okay, then after comes here crore. Here comes crore. Crores place, but here it will be what? 10 million. So here it will be 10 millions place. Okay, here it will be 10 millions place. Here it will be millions. Okay, now moving forward, here it will be 10 crores, but here it will be 100 million. Okay, here it will be 100 million. So here also it is different. Okay, so this is the main difference between Indian system and the international system. So one place tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, it will be same. So this all these places will be same. Okay, this all places will be same. So here it will be lakh, and here it will be 100,000. Here it will be 10 lakh, then it will be million. Then here it will be crore, then here it will be 10 million. Then after 10 crores, then it is 100 million. Okay, students. So if you want to write this, you can write down. It is also there in the previous class textbook. Okay, students. I am giving you some time. Okay, students, have you written down this? Now moving towards the example number 14. So, in the example number 14, here it is express the following numbers in the Indian and international system of numeration and write them in the word. Okay, so here let us do any of the two. So I am doing, that is B, and the another one I will do, that is D. It will be first of all B, that is 6 4 2 9 5 8. Here it will be 3 8 5 9 2 7 4 7 3 3 8 5 9 2 7 4 7 3. So here let us do that. So I am just making a table. Here I will write Indian system, and here international. Okay. So this first of all putting comma according to the Indian system. So here if I just put comma according to the Indian system, then here it will be 6, 4, 2, 9, 5, 8. Then here first comma will be here and second it will be over here, and we can write that in the word, that is 6 lakh 42,000 900 958. Okay, and here it will be 642958. So first comma will be over here, and we have to write this as 600 42,000 642,958. Okay, 58. So please write down this. So here you can see I have made a mistake. Here it will be 958 158. Okay, now write down, and I am just writing the second one. So according to the Indian system of numeration, here it will be 38859274773. So here first 3 2 2. So here it will be, this is the crores period, lakhs period, thousands period, and this is hundreds, sorry, ones period. Then after here we can write, that is 38 crore 59 lakh 27,000 470. Okay, 473. In here, in the international system, it will be 473. Here 3. So here it will be 300 85 million 385 million, then 900 27,000 473. Okay, 473. So please write down this. Okay, so in your homework, what you have to write? Before that, you just write down this. So I am just writing your homework above. So in your today's homework, you have to do exercise. Sorry, first of all, example 14. A and C. A and C. Then after exercise 1C. Exercise 1C. Question number 1 and question number 2. You have to do by your own, and in next video I will also do some of the sums of question number 1 and question number 2. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.